Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. How are you guys doing? How have you been this week? If you had a great week. The sun has been shining beautifully this week and I am so happy about that because it means spring is around the corner, which means summer is almost here, which is obviously my favorite time of the year. I don't do as many videos during the summer because I think I just enjoy my life way too much in the summer, whereas in the winter I'm like in the house all sad that it's so cold outside, so I have more time to film. Yeah, anyway, I'm rambling on. If you guys are here because of the title, you guys know that I have recently, well, in December, is that recent anymore? In December, I went for micro bond extensions for the very first time in my life, and yeah, I'm here to talk all about it. So if you guys are new here, my name is Teral and I make videos all about fashion, travel, beauty and lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe to stay updated and give this video a thumbs up if you're interested to see how I look after my extensions. I decided to finally go for micro bond extensions because I really wanted more volume in my hair. I've got a lot of hair, but the hair itself is quite fine, so it makes it look like I've got less hair. My mum has so much hair, her hair is so thick and voluminous and beautiful, and she only has to wash her hair really once a week. I mean, she washes it more, but she could get away with it, whereas I have to wash my hair like every other day because it gets so oily. The drama. Anyway, so I decided to go for micro bond extensions after deliberating a few different versions. She recommended that they would be the best for me as well because I just wanted volume, I didn't want the length, and because of that she could kind of target it all into one area to give it more volume. So that is mainly just here at the back. We decided to go for one set of hair, put in 50 grams of micro bond hair. She colour matched my hair perfectly, to be honest, because obviously I dyed it before I went to put my extensions in, and then on a whim I literally decided to go for balayage with Nikki Clark, and I don't even know what possessed me to do that because you guys would know I would have never dyed my hair before. Literally it was a spare of the moment thing. On Tuesday I was like, yes, I'll do it, and then yeah, I went on Wednesday and we done it. Yeah, it was a big thing. It's all over on my Instagram if you guys want to go and see that. You can check it out at Teral Atilan. Please come and follow me on Instagram. I'm always on Instagram and it's probably one of my favourite platforms because there's so much inspiration and it's just such a pretty platform. By the way, sorry, my neighbours have got builders and it's extremely loud. They're like drilling like every 5 minutes when I start talking, which is really annoying. I went last week, so it's a week today. I went and took them out and repositioned them because obviously the hair had grown. My hair had grown that much, so the extensions had obviously moved, which also meant that they were a little bit more visible than at the beginning. Obviously now I've had extensions for about 3 months, I thought I've become an expert on it. And I wanted to kind of share my experience and why I decided to go for it with you guys. So as I said, we wanted the volume in my hair. When I do a ponytail now, my hair is like so thick now compared to how it was before. The other day when I went and had them all removed, oh, it was so funny. We removed them and she was like, you can scratch your head now. And I was like, oh, it felt so good to actually be able to get into your root. Yeah, it was just so nice. And we washed my hair out and my hair has started to go a little bit matted on the back here, because this is the side that I sleep on. It started to get matted and it was definitely time to get them removed. So I think next time I'm going to wait 2 months to get them removed. And she said you can also send the hair off to get them re-glued. Obviously over time the glue on the hair bonds starts to wear away, so if the hair is still in good condition, it's worth sending it away to get it re-glued and then putting it in again later. So that's probably what we're going to do next time. I wanted to show you guys how I look after them and just how to kind of best care for hair extension. The only thing is you obviously cannot brush your hair from the root, so that's something you just get used to, I guess. I'm going to get straight into showing you the process of how I dry style and best practices to looking after your hair extensions. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. So whenever I come out of a shower, I don't ever use a normal towel. I use something like this, which is actually from a brand called Aquis, and they sent me this ages ago and I've got a few. It's a lot softer than a normal towel, kind of like a t-shirt texture, I guess, and I always use this on my hair because it's a lot gentler than a normal towel. You know, towels have the ribbed, like the ribbed material, so it's a lot tougher on the hair, and when you kind of brush it through your hair it ruins it, whereas this is a lot softer and it just dries your hair so much quicker. The next thing I do is I always partition my hair into 2 parts. I always use the mane and tail detangler just on the ends of my hair. Spray it like this. I just find that it's a lot easier for me to get rid of the knots in my hair, because since I have had extensions, my hair gets a lot more knotty than it did previously. It's just all about looking after them and just making sure your hair is really nice and soft. The shampoo that I use is a sulfate free shampoo. If you do use sulfate, it's going to ruin all of the bonds in your hair and just kind of help them slide out. So sulfate free is highly recommended. There are so many brands out there that do it. I'm currently using a Keratis one, like in the pinky reddy bottle. Really nice, they smell great as well. So, and then I've got a wide tooth comb that I just use to go through my hair gently like that, and that really helps with getting rid of the knots. I'm gonna brush my hair really quickly. Okay, so once all of the big knots are out using this, I then go in with the #1 brush, it's called, by Michael Van Clark. Look how smooth it just goes through my hair, and it detangles so easily. Don't be alarmed, a lot of hair unfortunately does fall out, but that's just how it is. So what I used to do previously is I used to wash my hair in the evening and just go to bed. I used to go to bed with wet hair. I used to love doing that because then I'd wake up and I'd have like these little waves in it. It's just really easy because my hair is really soft. But now that I have extensions in my hair, I have to take a lot more care of it. That means I have to now dry my hair before bed or wash my hair in the morning and dry it. So I'm going to go in with some heat protection spray from Andrew Barton. Just spray that all over the ends of your hair. And this one smells so good, guys. All the products in this video have all been very kindly gifted to me by the brands. So I've got the heat protection in my hair. Now you guys are gonna laugh at me. I go in with a 3rd brush from Eco Tools. That is the one with the hole in the middle, because this is the quickest drying hairbrush. It's got the hole, the air goes through and then spreads everywhere, whereas normal brushes are like that, so the air bounces off. This is a great brush. I absolutely love this, and whenever I am using heat, this is the brush I use. I'm just gonna rough dry it, and then I'm gonna dry it with this, just to keep it straight and smooth, because I like my hair either to be straight or wavy at the end, and I usually do that with a pair of straighteners. I've got a tutorial already on how I curl my hair, so I'm going to link that down below for you guys if you're interested in seeing how I do that. That was pre-extensions, but it's the exact same, to be honest. Oh, I always go through with my hand like that so that the hair's not up in the air. When I'm using the brush, I tend to go like that so it gives a bit more body. I know it was all sped up and everything, but it really does not take that long. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's dried and I've done nothing to it. It looks so silky, so soft. Just gonna do this side now. Hair is fully dry, is it? And as you can see, there's a little bit of volume at the root. The ends are all nice and silky. If I was going to bed now, I would do a plait in this. So 1 plait straight down there, and I'd go to sleep. Previously, when I had my extensions, I was just sleeping with my hair down like I normally would, and I was sleeping with it wet. And by the time the hair had grown out a little bit, it became a little bit matted and quite uncomfortable, especially on this side where I would sleep normally. So I usually sleep on that side. one plait down the center like that. You could obviously do 2 plaits, you can do a plait from the roots. I can't, and that's a lot easier for when I go to sleep. So the next thing that I would do is get my straighteners and decide whether I want my hair to be straight or curly. Today I want my hair to be straight. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten my hair. You guys probably don't want to see or need to see me straighten my hair because it's like the easiest thing ever. Now that I have straightened my hair, look how soft and silky it looks, and it looks so full. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. The last thing that I usually do to my hair is I put some type of oil from this length downwards, and I'm currently really enjoying using Evolve Organic Beauty. They are so nice. They're actually made in the UK, I think in Hertfordshire, and everything is natural and amazing, and they sent me some of their products to use and I've really enjoyed using them. And yeah, just pop it on your hair, and you can do this on wet hair or dry hair. I like to do it on dry hair because I feel like the hair absorbs it a lot better. So a few drops, that's probably more than 3 or 4, but I've got a lot of hair. And then yeah, just rub it in, and then I kind of just brush it through, so more onto my fingertips, and then the palm part of it just after, because you don't want it to look too oily. So guys, that's my hair tutorial on how I look after my extensions hair. I also like to use a deep condition mask once a week, once or twice a week depending on how busy I am. Usually I forget, so it's like once every 2 weeks. Yeah, literally on this part down, nowhere near the roots, guys, please, nowhere near your roots, otherwise your bonds are just gonna slide right out when you're brushing your hair, and that just keeps your hair really nourished and deep conditioned, and obviously helps it stop getting so knotted. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope this has helped you guys understand a little bit more on hair extensions and why I decided to go for them and why I chose this particular method. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.